The 2001 pound coin of the United Kingdom, bearing the portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, represents a significant piece in the modern history of British coinage, reflecting the evolution of the pound sterling in the context of the UK's political, economic, and cultural landscape at the turn of the new millennium. Introduced as part of the ongoing £1 coin series first minted in 1983. This coin not only functions as currency, but also serves as a symbol of national identity, heritage, and the enduring legacy of the British monarchy under Queen Elizabeth II. The longest reigning monarch in British history at the time, the obverse front of the 2001 pound coin features the fourth definitive portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, designed by the sculptor Ian Rank-Broadley, whose effigy replaced the previous portrait by Raphael Makloff in 1998. Rank-Broadley's depiction is notable for its realism and maturity, offering a more lifelike representation of the Queen in her later years. Wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, a recognizable and historically significant diadem originally gifted to Queen Mary, Elizabeth II's grandmother, and later passed down. The inscription surrounding the portrait reads Elizabeth II D.G.REG.F.D 2000, which is an abbreviation of the Latin phrase Elizabeth II de Gratia, Regina Fidei Defensor, meaning Elizabeth II. By the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith, this title underscores the monarch's constitutional role and the religious heritage embedded in British governance, a tradition that has been maintained since the reign of Henry VIII, when the title Fidei Defensor was originally granted by the Pope and later reaffirmed by the English crown. The reverse back of the 2001 pound coin is particularly notable for its Wales-themed design, part of the Royal Mint's long-standing practice of rotating national emblems to celebrate the four constituent countries of the United Kingdom: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. The 2000 issue specifically features the Red Dragon of Cadwallader, a heraldic dragon representing Wales designed by the renowned artist Norman Silman, whose expertise in sculpture and coin design contributed to several British and Commonwealth numismatic works. The dragon itself has deep roots in Welsh mythology and royal symbolism, tracing back to the ancient British leader Vortigern, and later embraced by Cadwallader ap Cadwallon, the 7th century king of Gwynedd, from whom the emblem takes its name. The red dragon is today prominently displayed on the Welsh national flag, symbolizing resilience, pride, and the enduring cultural identity of Wales within the United Kingdom. Encircling the dragon on the reverse side is the legend £1, identifying the denomination. Additionally, along the edge of the coin, which is milled and inscribed, is the phrase Pledial Whiff, I'm glad, a Welsh motto translating to True am I to my country. These words are taken from the patriotic Welsh song Hen Walad Fy Nadau, Land of My Fathers, which functions as the de facto national anthem of Wales. The inscription not only enhances the aesthetic of the coin, but also embeds national sentiment, pride, and cultural reverence into its design, a hallmark of many British commemorative and circulating coins. In terms of specifications, the 2001 pound coin is made of nickel brass, consisting of 70% copper, 24.5% zinc, and 5.5% nickel, giving the coin its characteristic golden hue. It has a diameter of 22.5 millimeters, a thickness of approximately 3.15 millimeters, and a weight of 9.5 grams. Dimensions consistent with other £1 coins issued between 1983 and 2016. Prior to the introduction of the 12-sided bimetallic £1 coin aimed at reducing counterfeiting, the 2001 pound coin was produced by the Royal Mint, headquartered in Llantrisant, Wales, the official minting authority for the United Kingdom, which has operated for over 1,100 years and is recognized for its craftsmanship, security innovations, and artistic excellence in coin production. The issuance of this coin coincided with a period of reflection and renewal for Britain. As the year 2000 marked the dawn of a new millennium, a milestone celebrated with numerous national events and commemorative items. Though the 2001 pound coin is not explicitly a millennium commemorative, its release in this significant year imbued it with additional cultural resonance. as the nation both celebrated its historical legacy and looked forward to the future. Furthermore, the choice to feature Welsh symbolism in the Millennium Year reflects the UK's commitment to recognizing the distinct national identities that comprise the Union. Aligning with broader political movements of the late 1990s and early 2000s, such as the establishment of the Welsh Assembly in 1999, which marked a new chapter in Welsh self-governance and political representation within the UK framework. From a numismatic perspective, the 2001 pound coin holds interest for collectors due to its place within the broader series of national emblem £1 coins, its specific association with Wales, and the rank broadly portrait that modernized the coinage image of Queen Elizabeth II. While the 2001 pound coin was produced primarily for circulation, some limited edition proof and uncirculated versions were struck in higher quality finishes, often sold in presentation packs by the Royal Mint to collectors. These versions, typically struck in silver or gold, exhibit enhanced detail and are valued higher than standard circulation coins, both monetarily and in terms of craftsmanship in circulation. The 2001 pound coin saw extensive use, though over time, due to wear counterfeiting concerns, and the introduction of the 12-sided £1 coin in 2017, many earlier round £1 coins, including those from 2000, were demonetized and withdrawn from legal tender status as of October 15, 2017. However, these coins remain legal to own, trade among collectors, or retain as part of historical collections, and they continue to carry numismatic significance, especially for those interested in British coinage history. Royal iconography, or the heraldic traditions of the United Kingdom. The 2000 £1 coin also serves as a reminder of the broader social, economic, and constitutional transitions in the UK around the turn of the 21st century, including debates over national identity, devolution, and Britain's role in Europe, a particularly poignant context considering the later events such as the Brexit referendum of 2016. The coin, like many circulating denominations, becomes more than just currency. It encapsulates symbols, values, and historical references that narrate the story of a nation, its people, and its enduring traditions. Thus, the 2001 pound coin, modest in size yet rich in design and meaning, occupies a notable place in the tapestry of modern British numismatics, reflecting both the heritage and evolution of the United Kingdom under the steadfast reign of Queen Elizabeth II. Next top. The 2007 £1 coin of the United Kingdom, bearing the regal effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, stands as an integral part of Britain's modern numismatic heritage, symbolizing both the constitutional continuity of the monarchy and the rich diversity of the United Kingdom's cultural and national identity. The 2007 £1 coin belongs to a prestigious series of commemorative and circulating pound coins issued since 1983, which not only function as everyday currency but also reflect artistic, heraldic, and historical traditions deeply rooted in the British Isles. The 2007 edition is especially significant within this lineage for its distinct, reverse design representing England, one of the four nations of the United Kingdom, as part of a heraldic series issued between 2004 and 2007, beginning with its obverse. The 2007 £1 coin features the definitive portrait of Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, the longest-reigning monarch in British history at the time, whose reign 1952 to 2022 spanned eras of monumental social, technological, and political change. The portrait is the fourth official effigy of the Queen to appear on British coinage, executed by the renowned sculptor Ian Rank, broadly FRBS, whose initials IRB are discreetly placed beneath the monarch's neck. Introduced in 1998, this effigy marked a departure from previous portrayals, opting for a realistic and mature representation of the Queen, complete with the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, which has become one of the most recognizable royal adornments. Rank Broadley's intention was to depict the monarch with dignity and naturalism, embracing the concept of graceful aging rather than adhering to idealized imagery. Encircling the Queen's portrait is the abbreviated Latin legend Elizabeth II, D.G.REG.F.D. a time-honored inscription appearing on British coinage for centuries. Translated, this reads, Elizabeth II, by the grace of God, Queen, Defender of the Faith. The phrase Defender of the Faith, Fidei Defensor, dates back to 1521, when Pope Leo X granted the title to Henry VIII, although it was retained by English monarchs after the schism with Rome, symbolizing their role as supreme governor of the Church of England. The obverse also bears the year of issue 2007. Positioned beneath the Queen's portrait, anchoring the coin within its historical time frame, a year marked by significant events such as the bicentenary of the East Indies, abolition of the transatlantic slave trade, and ongoing debates about Britain's role within the European Union. Turning to the reverse, the 2007 £1 coin features a masterful depiction of the Royal Shield of Arms of England, rendered with intricate heraldic precision by the designer Timothy Node, a distinguished heraldic artist and calligrapher associated with the College of Arms and the Royal Mint. This design formed part of the final installment in a series, issued from 2004 to 2007, wherein each of the 4 constituent nations of the United Kingdom, England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland, were represented. Through their respective heraldic symbols on the £1 coin, the 2007 edition, devoted to England, showcases the English royal arms, with the shield divided into quarters, featuring 3 lions passant guardant walking lions with faces towards the observer in the first and fourth quarters, symbolizing England, and a lion rampant within a double treasure flory counterflory for Scotland in the second. While the third quarter depicts the traditional Irish harp, heraldry has long served as a visual language of authority, lineage, and sovereignty. And the royal arms illustrated on the coin trace their origins back to the medieval Plantagenet kings of England. The 3 lions of England, known colloquially as the 3 Lions, have been associated with the English monarchy since the reign of King Richard I, Richard the Lionheart, in the 12th century, representing courage, nobility, and the enduring strength of the realm. Timothy Node's depiction honors this lineage, combining centuries of heraldic tradition with contemporary design sensibilities, suitable for modern circulation coinage. Surrounding the central motif is the milled border of the coin, along which appears the Latin inscription Decas et totemon, translating to an ornament and a safeguard. This inscription, originally introduced by Isaac Newton during his tenure as Master of the Royal Mint in the late 17th century, served both an aesthetic and practical purpose, deterring coin clipping, the illegal practice of shaving off small amounts of precious metal from the edges of coins. Though the modern £1 coin is minted in non-precious metals, this phrase endures as a symbol of the coin's integrity and the rich legacy of British minting traditions. The 2007 £1 coin maintains the standard specifications established for the ... denomination since its introduction in 1983, composed of a nickel-brass alloy. It exhibits a distinctive golden hue with a diameter of 22.5 millimeters, a thickness of 3.15 millimeters, and a mass of 9.5 grams. The coin's milled edge, along with its weight and distinctive feel, aids in identification, both by users and vending machines. Though by the late 2010s, widespread counterfeiting prompted the introduction of a new 12-sided £1 coin in 2017 with enhanced security features. The 2007 £1 coin was produced primarily by the Royal Mint, the United Kingdom's official minting authority. Headquartered in Llantrisant, South Wales, the Royal Mint, with origins tracing back over 1,100 years, has overseen the creation of British coinage through monarchic upheavals, economic transformations, and technological revolutions. By 2007, the Royal Mint was responsible for producing billions of coins annually, not only for domestic circulation, but also for numerous countries worldwide. In terms of historical context, the year 2007 marked the 55th year of Queen Elizabeth II's reign, a period characterized by her steadfast dedication to public service amidst significant political, social, and cultural evolution. Britain in 2007 was navigating the complexities of the early 21st century, balancing traditional institutions with emerging global dynamics. Domestically, the United Kingdom saw Gordon Brown succeed Tony Blair as Prime Minister while ongoing. Discussions surrounding constitutional reform, national identity, and devolution persisted across the UK, particularly in Scotland and Wales. The £1 coin series of this period, celebrating the distinct heraldic emblems of the home nations, subtly echoed these themes of unity amidst diversity. The 2007 £1 coin also reflects the numismatic transition period leading up to the eventual overhaul of the UK coinage system. In 2008, a new reverse design set created by Matthew Dent would unify the various denominations through a fragmented depiction of the royal arms, symbolizing cohesion and modernity. Thus, the 2007 £1 coin represents one of the final issues to feature traditional heraldic designs as standalone elements on the pound coin. For collectors, the 2007 £1 coin holds particular interest within thematic collections focusing on heraldry, British monarchy, or national symbols. While produced in large quantities for general circulation, higher quality brilliant uncirculated boo and proof versions were also issued in presentation packs and annual sets, often struck to exacting standards with enhanced detail and finish, making them desirable among numismatists and enthusiasts. In conclusion, the 2007 United Kingdom £1 coin, with its commanding portrayal of the English royal arms, the dignified effigy of Queen Elizabeth II, and its connections to centuries of British heraldic and minting tradition, stands as a small yet profound testament to the nation's enduring identity, its historical complexities, and its evolving numismatic narrative. Whether encountered in everyday transactions or preserved within carefully curated collections, the coin embodies both the tangible functionality of currency and the symbolic power of design, history, and heritage interwoven across generations,